Our next Good morning. Our next chapter is rainbow. Rainbow means an arc of colors visible in the sky caused by the refraction and the dispersion of the sun's light by rain or other way droplets in the atmosphere. The colors of the rainbow are generally said to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay, so in this we are going to see different forms of rainbow like mountain, eucalyptus tree, etc. The first one is rainbow eucalyptus. Rainbow eucalyptus is the only eucalyptus tree indigenous to the northern hemisphere, found mainly in the Philippines and Indonesia. It thrives in tropical forests that get a lot of rain, which also makes it the only eucalyptus tree to grow in the rainforest. The tree grows up to massive 250 feet, or you can say 76-meter tall. Eucalyptus diglypta is a species of tall tree commonly known as rainbow eucalyptus, rainbow gum, that is native of the Philippines, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. The rainbow eucalyptus is mainly used for its wood as a construction, lumber or a plywood for making cabinets, boats and particle board and joinery. The colorful striations are created due to the fact that the tree does not shed all at once. Slowly over time, different layers fall off while other exposed areas have already begun aging. This process makes for a spectacular visual, with the rainbow eucalyptus looking like it could be pulled from Alice in Wonderland. Next is rainbow mountains of Peru. Formed by weathering, environmental conditions and sedimentary deposits over time. The mountain's unique mineralogy created a marbling effect with the layered hues of gold, lavender, red and turquoise towering into the sky. The Rainbow Mountain is a mountain near Cusco in Peru. Rainbow Mountain is becoming the main attraction to see after or before Machu Picchu. As you could guess, the mountain is famed for its natural multicolored beauty at a staggering 5,200 meters above sea level. The Rainbow Mountain was first discovered by non-locals in 2015 and received its first official tour back in 2016. Despite its incredible size and stunning colors, the mountain had managed to remain a local secret. The visitors, or you can say tourists, also call them as the mountain of seven colors. And the last one is Colombia's Rainbow River. Colombia is dubbed the river of five colors and liquid rainbow because of the many colors you can see below the clear waters. Bright green, yellow, reds and purples appears to be flowing down the river depending on the light and the water condition, according to the insider. The best time to visit this place is from July to the beginning of December. Travelers should bear in mind that booking tours before or after the season is not possible. The spot was closed until 2009 for a long time due to the terrorist influence and the possibility of an impending harm to the natural environment caused by the tourists. Other sites worth of beholding in the vicinity of Colombia are waterfalls and rivers. The liquid rainbow is caused by a unique phenomena, a red plant, Macrania calvigera, growing in the river bed. Other colors come from the black rocks, green algae, blue water and the yellow sand, producing an iridescent effect. The river also features waterfalls, pools and caverns, making it even more dramatic. Hope you understand. Thank you. Bye.